In a coastal village, the sea speaks in rising tides as mangroves brace themselves, a living warning to all. The storm arrives with roaring wind and lightning, while the earth shakes and salty rain fills anxious lungs. From the shore, locals recount how rebuilds begin with shared boats, shelter from levees, and listening to the river's pulse. Environment speaks through sediment layers and new mangrove seedlings, guiding families to plant, conserve soil, and plan evacuation routes. Together they practice drills, diversify livelihoods, and document stories so future neighbors recognize courage, care, and resilience.